Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome if you are new to the Glittering Ray YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Today I'm going to share just my health journey. I'm not a licensed healthcare professional and dietitian, any of those things. So please seek medical advice before you change your diet and lifestyle. I'm a mom of 3 kids and I lost 29 kg within 4 months, and I can say that now my life looks so different. I'm so thankful for my personal trainer, Mr. C. He was full dedicated to me achieve this my personal goal. I just want to share what's worked for me, and I know what worked for me may not work for everyone, but I thought if I can encourage somebody today, then this video will be worth it. So if you're excited to hear about my health journey, how I got started, what I have done and what it's looked like over the 4 months, be sure to get comfortable today. My childhood and even into my young adult life, I was not overweight. I did not have a history of being overweight. I lived a very active, busy lifestyle. My diet was not perfect, but I was never overweight, and in fact I played school athletic, and prior to that I trained at a very high caliber as a netball player. So I was not new to the concept of training my body of physical exercise at all. The life happens. You graduate from university, you get married, you settle down, and the weight probably crept little bit. It was 58 kg, but it wasn't until after having 3 babies in 5 years that my body really started to put on weight. I noticed that I was eating all the same things, but my clothes were not fitting and I was really struggling. I let that weight slowly creep up on me, and until a point where it started getting very noticeable. All of a sudden, my size went up several numbers. I was having to shop in the plus size section for the first time in my life. I was so ashamed and insecure in my body for the first time ever. My weight before heaviest, I got to about 87 kg, which I will share some before photo here, and funny enough I don't have that many before photos because I never thought I would lose weight ever. Anyway, I can proudly say that now I am 58 kg in weight again. That time I felt like my hormones were really out of balance and I could feel it. My knees hurt and I was scared for my health and I was insecure. I didn't want to be the mom on the sidelines growing up. I dreamed of having kids someday and I had these 3 beautiful kids and these blessings. I wanted to be an active mom and I didn't want to waste my younger years on the sidelines, missing out playing with them, running with them and all the fun active things with them. I really wanted to just be healthy for my family more than anything, also healthy for myself. If I am taking the time for myself, then in turn I am going to be a better mom and a better wife. I really thankful to my trainer. He has really showed me on this health journey. That's really important to people who spend hours in the gym every day, myself included. We were not meant to do it alone and you need support. For me, I had great support from my family. The next thing I would say, if you want to get started on a health journey or you have some weight to lose, is to start tracking everything that you eat and consume in a day. I would not go over that number no matter what and over a period of time. That's just basic science. Track every little thing you put in your mouth. I would say another huge factor in my weight loss early on was setting a goal for myself to drink more water a day. I was consuming a lot of calories and sugary things like sweet tea and so just wrapping those out of water. I really limiting that liquid calorie consumption other than the occasional coffee drink, and I did still have my coffee in the morning but other than lots of water. Let's really talk about the diet changes that I made not follow a specific. When I first started on my journey, yes, it worked greatly. It helped eat less because I was eating 2 meals a day instead of three. So, in theory, of course, you are going to cut your calories by this concept doing intermittent fasting, and it helped me prevent nighttime snacking. It got me out of the habit of nighttime snacking, which I think is the biggest win for intermittent fasting for me. Personally, my fasting window was 6 pm to 11 am every day, and it worked efficiently. If I am not hungry, I continue my fast, which I do still start around 6 pm. Most nights I will continue my fast and just wait until lunch and have a really high protein big kind of lunch brunch around 11. And also I am having other simple meal around 4 pm, and I would like to share these two simple healthy recipes with you. If I wake up early in the morning and I go to the gym for 1.5 hours and I come home, it looks a little bit difficult, but I would say at the beginning it worked perfectly. I am so grateful, and I think more than anything, I have truly fallen in love with fitness and good health. I have shared clips here and what my exercise journey has looked like. I said I'm no expert, but if you enjoyed today's video, please do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, maybe share it with your friends. Wishing you a day full of beauty, peace and love. Goodbye.